what type of reaction I have. I see that I have something that is composed of carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. So this is going to be a combustion reaction. It can also be identified by the products that I am producing water and carbon dioxide there. So to find out how to balance this, I generally like to just put a 2 right in front of the hydrocarbon to start. There is a rule out there where it's like if it's like the 18 here, if that's even, that you multiply it by 2, or if it's odd you multiply by 2, and one's one way or another. I just leave that towards the end, that if I have to reduce it at the end, I do it then. Next thing I want to look at is going to be balancing the carbons. Why the carbons? I could balance the hydrogens next, but what I do want to balance last is the oxygen. The oxygen there is by itself. When it's by itself, reducing it or balancing it, you want to look at it last. So 18 carbons times 2, it's going to be what, 36. So I need a 36 in front of this carbon. Then for hydrogen, I have 38 times 2. And I could do that in my head, but I would recognize that I've got a 2 in back behind this hydrogen. So if I put 38 here, that would be the same as a multiplicative rule there. Then finally the oxygen. To balance the oxygen, I need the total sum of the oxygen that's on the right there. That's going to be the 38, that this 38 applies to both the hydrogen and the oxygen. So I have 38 from this one. And 36 times 2, that's going to be then 72 that I have from this oxygen. So I take the sum of that, and that is going to be 110. Yep, 110. And then this 2, I need to have something times 2 to give me 110 oxygens there that I have on the right, so I need the same value on the left. So if I divide this by 2, I get 55, and that is the value that I need in front there. And this can't be reduced. Um, sure, almost everything has a factor of 2, this 2, 38, and 36, but the 55 doesn't have that. The only factors of 55 are going to be 1, 5, 11, and 55, and none of those values also go into the others. So that is as balanced as I can get it.